Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, in episode 3 we'll guide you through the hierarchy steps in a doctor's career, and what it takes to reach the top of the medical profession. If you're an aspiring doctor or just curious about the journey, keep watching as we break down the path to medical success step by step. Pre-medical education. The journey to becoming a doctor starts with a strong foundation in pre-medical education. This typically involves completing an undergraduate degree, often in a science-related field, such as biology or chemistry. Tips for choosing a major and excelling in pre-med courses. Importance of extracurricular activities, volunteering, and shadowing physicians. Medical school admission. After completing your undergraduate degree, the next step is to get accepted into medical school. This is a competitive process that requires meeting certain requirements and passing entrance exams, like the MCAT in the United States or the final medicine exam in the EU. Tips for preparing for entrance exams and interviews. Importance of a strong application, including letters of recommendation and personal statement. Medical school. Once you've been accepted into medical school, it's time to embark on a challenging and rewarding 4 to 5 year journey. Preclinical years. Years 1 and 2. The first 2 years of medical school focus on preclinical studies, where you'll learn the fundamentals of medicine, including anatomy, physiology, and pharmacology. Tips for succeeding in preclinical coursework. Importance of building a strong foundation for clinical years. Clinical years, years 3, 4 and 5. The last 2 or 3 years of medical school are dedicated to clinical rotations, where you'll gain hands-on experience in various medical specialties, under the supervision of experienced physicians. Tips for thriving during clinical rotations. Choosing a specialty and preparing for residency applications. Residency. After graduating from medical school, it's time to enter a residency program, where you'll further develop your skills and knowledge in your chosen specialty. Residency can be a challenging period, with long hours and high demands, but it's also a critical time for learning and professional growth. Tips for success in residency. Importance of mentorship and networking during residency. Board certification. After completing your residency, you'll need to become board certified in your specialty. This involves passing rigorous exams and demonstrating your competency as a medical professional. Tips for preparing for board exams. Importance of staying up to date with medical advancements in your field. Post-residency career options. With board certification under your belt, you now have several career options to explore, from working in a private practice or hospital to joining academia or research. Pursuing fellowships and subspecialties. For those looking to further specialize in their field, pursuing a fellowship can be a valuable next step. Fellowships allow you to gain additional expertise in a subspecialty, opening up more career opportunities and enhancing your professional growth. Building a professional reputation. As you progress in your career, building a strong professional reputation becomes increasingly important. This can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and open doors to new opportunities. Leadership roles. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you may have opportunities to take on leadership roles within your organization or professional societies. These positions can help you further influence the field and make a greater impact on patient care. Examples of leadership roles, such as department chair, medical director, or professional organization president. Continuous professional development. To maintain your position at the top of the medical pyramid, it's essential to stay current with medical advancements and continuously develop your skills and knowledge. Importance of lifelong learning and staying up to date with new research. In conclusion, the journey to becoming a top medical professional is a long and challenging one, filled with many steps and milestones. From pre-medical education to residency, fellowships, and leadership roles, each stage of your career offers unique opportunities for growth and development. By staying focused, committed, and adaptable, you can climb the ladder of medical success and make a lasting impact in your chosen field. Remember that your journey is unique, and your success will be measured by the difference you make in the lives of your patients and the medical community as a whole. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you may have. We'll see you in the next video.